Meta has rolled out more advanced AI systems to manage content enforcement so they don't have to rely on third-party vendors. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Meta is planning to launch these more advanced AI systems across its apps once they consistently outperform its current content enforcement methods. At the same time, it will reduce its reliance on third-party vendors for content enforcement. Right now, Meta AI systems can easily identify and mitigate around 5,000 scam attempts per day, in which scammers try to trick people into giving away their login details, that too in languages spoken by 98% of people online, with constantly adapting cultural nuance including rapidly changing and regionally specific code words, emoji meanings, and slang. Sure, there's still content to review, so these systems will be able to take on work that's better suited to technology, like repetitive reviews of graphic content or areas where adversarial actors are constantly changing their tactics, such as with illicit drug sales or scams. The new Meta AI Support Assistant will fix account problems for you from start to finish. It's going to answer any question, like about notification settings or new features, and if you'd like, it can also take action for you on a growing set of requests directly within Facebook and in the future. On Instagram, like reporting scams, impersonation accounts, or problematic content. It makes it easier for you to see why your content was taken down, appeal and track what happens next, manage your privacy settings, reset passwords, or update profile settings. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.